Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
Hello everyone, how's everything going? Tell me something about your week. Is it dreadful that you're just gonna wait for Friday to be over? Or is it slow and steady that you didn't even notice that it's the end of the week? Go on, share your stories in the comments below or chat us over on Instagram. For now, let me tell you about my week and how my slow and steady mindset helps me get through with it. As starters, I make sure that my goals for the week are properly lined up and straightened out. Whether it's about work, about the house, or even about YouTube. I don't have a precise plan, but at least I have pointers and targets, especially about work, where I have deadlines and expected outputs day in, day out. I hate cramming. I never want to be in a rush when doing things. This is because I tend to miss a lot or end up with multiple mistakes when I'm in a hurry. So what I usually do is I take my time doing things and I make sure that I have ample time to finish the task before it's due. Whether it's about my job, about my vlog, or even about my laundry and dishes. Whenever I feel pressured, I take a step back. This is for me to compose myself and to gather my thoughts. Because when I'm pressured, I tend to make wrong decisions that I might regret. At first, it's a bit challenging, but eventually, it becomes easier. As they say, practice makes perfect. Having a slow and steady mindset doesn't mean you're being lazy or you're slacking. It's about being purposeful and mindful of everything that you do. Instead of finishing multiple tasks in a day, you're just focused on a couple of tasks or important tasks and doing it precisely. Presence of mind is one of the key factors, especially when you do decision making. It would be impossible to be present when you're doing a couple of small things here and there. Being in a hurry will also sabotage the train of thought that might result in a couple of mistakes. So, having a slow and steady mindset will train us to be more present in a certain situation without overthinking. Without calculating things that are or haven't happened yet. Life could be a little overwhelming these days, but make sure to keep your cool and find your inner peace. Try to live slowly, following your own pace. Don't be pressured with your environment. And lastly, just be yourself. Listen to yourself, to your mind, to your heart, and everything will follow accordingly. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you gather a thing or two about this topic. I'd love to hear your thoughts as well, so feel free to comment and I make sure to read all of them. Happy weekend, everyone, and I will see you very soon.